I'm Brett Antones. I'm a lead software engineer in our Reston office. Before Zoom Data, I was doing software services and contracting work. I did about 15 years in geospatial software development, and then the last 2 in the intersection of geospatial and big data, and that's where I learned Apache Spark. Working as a contractor is great. You get to work on a lot of different projects. However, they are short runs, and when you're done with them, you never know what's going to happen with it. You don't have any lasting impact. Before Zoom Data, I typically worked in a cube farm environment, which was way more isolating than the open office environment that we have here. Without the walls, you get a lot more collaboration, and if you have a problem, a lot of times people overhear you and then are able to kind of pitch in and help out with finding a solution to it. Zoom Data allows me to take care of the personal stuff, get out and do my appointments or whatever else I need to, but then I can work the hours at night or from home or come in early. They're just super flexible in understanding that work is important, but so is life, and finding that right balance. Every day coming to work, the passion is incredible. People are learning new languages, they're learning tools, checking out the latest technologies, trying to stay ahead in the big data space. I love it because I get to learn something new every day.